Audio Jungle.
Namaste! Greetings! Hi children! Today is going to be lots of fun because today I'm going to do some gardening. Do you like gardening? It's fun and very easy. The best thing about gardening is you can watch things grow. Do you have a garden in your compound? I have a small garden and I planted a seed to grow some herbs. I'm going to grow a herb garden. There's my pot, and then I watered it with my watering can. It's very easy, and gardening is fun because it can keep you active. It can help you to enjoy the sunshine. But make sure you wear your hat and your sunscreen when you're out in the garden. And it's fun to watch your plants grow. And you can wave to your neighbors too. Voila! There are lots of different gardens you can make. But you have to be patient because it takes some time to grow. You have to water your plants, check on them every day. Just like this one. I already planted one 3 weeks ago. Do you want to see what happened? I'll get it for you. There it is. Can you see it started to grow? Because I watered it. And I checked on it every day. To be a gardener, you have to be patient, girls and boys. There are lots of different gardens you can grow. You can grow a rock garden. That's right. I like to paint my rocks different colors. You can plant a vegetable garden with dalo and taro. My mom likes to cook with those vegetables. You can even plant a tree and grow some fruit. I've got a mango tree in my compound. Do you have fruit in your garden? Maybe you can plant it and watch it grow. I love gardening. I can feel the wind in my hair because it's windy today. I can breathe fresh air. Gardening brings us all together. But be patient because it takes some time for your garden to grow. Look after your garden. Water it well. Get some seeds from Mom or Dad to help you to start growing something. And then you too can have your very own garden. I'm going to pick a flower now from my garden and go and give it to my mom. Bye for now, children. And remember, be patient and your garden will grow.
Hello, my children. It's me, Miss Linda. To watch more of these videos, please subscribe to Latoka School for Special Education's YouTube channel. I'll see you all next time. Mother.